Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Nafi's Home School, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today, I am going to take a social science class for class 2 students. Our today's topic, Lesson 1 discussions plus true false CW. So, my dear students, let's see our today's class. Class 2, subject social science, topic lesson 1 discussion plus true false CW, term half yearly, lecture 1, SW will be 1, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So, my dear students, so open your this book, everyone, social science and general knowledge book, class 2, okay, and go to page number 5. So we're doing, open your book, go to lesson 1, our environment, page number 5 in your book, okay. So open the book, everyone. Let's go. Lesson 1, our environment. So what is environment? We will learn today. And what are the types of environment? We will learn today. So we have many things around us. Home is the place where we live in. So we live in the home. We human beings live in the home. The earth is the home of all livings and non-living elements. And the earth is the home of all living and non-living elements. Our home, school, mosque, temple, church, playground, park, roads, everything, whatever we use in our everyday life are part of environment. So we can say indirectly like this, underline your everyone in a copy, our home, school, mosque, temple, church, playground, park, roads, everything, whatever we use in our everyday life are part of environment, or we can say are called environment. So if the question comes in your exam, what is environment? You have to write this portion. Our home, school, mosque, temple, church, playground, park, roads, everything, whatever we use in our everyday life are called environment. We get water from rivers, lakes and ponds. They are also part of environment. So we get water from rivers, lakes and ponds. They are also part of environment. We breathe air, which is also part of environment. So air is also part of environment. The trees, hills, animals found around us are also part of environment. The sunlight that we get from the sun is also part of the environment. In short, whatever we witness means see, whatever we see, whatever we observe around us in home and outside home are parts of environment. So in the picture you can see natural environment, trees, hills, okay, so water, all things are air, you can see air, but air is also here. So these are parts of environment. So there are two types of environment, very important. They are natural environment and social environment. So underline this one. There are two types of environment. They are natural environment, social environment. So if I ask what are the types of environment, there are two types of environment, natural environment and social environment. Let's discuss what is natural environment. Things made of nature belongs to natural environment. So those things are made by nature, God, creator, Allah. This is called natural environment. Those things man cannot make. This is called natural environment. Water, we can't make water, air, sunlight, tree, animal, river, hill and mountain are the elements of natural environment. Man cannot make natural environment. So the very important things we cannot make, people cannot make natural environments. We cannot make water, we cannot make air, sunlight, tree, animal, river, hill, mountain. People cannot create, people cannot make natural environments. On the other hand, let's go to social environment. The things made of men are called social environment. So those things human being can create, make, this is called social environment. So people can create house, school, road, mosque, temple, churches belong to social environment. So we can build house, we can make school, road, mosque, temple, church. These things are created by people, men, us. Okay, we can make a school. So school is social environment. A natural environment, we cannot make trees, hills, mountain, air. These are natural environments. So what have we learned from these discussions? What is environment? There are two types of environment, natural and social environment. Natural environments, those things we cannot make. Those things has created by nature. It's called natural environment. And the things made by men, people, are called social environment. Okay, let's go to page number 6. This is page number 6 exercise. This will not come to your exam. This will come to your exam. C. Identify true and false from the following sentences. This will do, you will do HW. Okay, question number C, true, false. So number 1, things made of nature are called natural environment. True or false? Yes, things made of nature are called natural environment. This is true. So we have to write true, T-R-U-E, true. Number 2, house, mosque, temple, school belong to social environment. Yes, house we can make, mosque, temple, school, this belong to social environment. It is true because these things are made by people, are men. Number 3, men can make natural environment. Is it true or false? False, because men cannot make natural environment. We cannot make trees, we cannot make air. So men cannot make natural environment. Men can make natural environment. This is false. Number 4, things around us can be called environment. Yes, everything around us what you use is called environment. So this statement, this sentence is true. So you will do HW, question number C, identify true and false from the following sentence. You will pick up the sentences first, then you will write down at the end of the sentence true or false. Okay, so your HW will be HW1, submit on Saturday. Lesson 1, true and false. Lesson 1, true and false. So my dear students, do your assigned SW at home and submit on Saturday. Thanks for watching this class. See you again. Stay safe, stay well. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.